Guys, just when I thought the only person who is going to commit suicide is Nandi, kanti no, it's Khaya. On the latest episode of Isitha the Enemy, Chuma saves Khaya from committing suicide. When Chuma entered Khaya's house, he found Khaya with a gun on his mouth, as you can see on your screen right now. So, for those who are wondering what must have happened to Khaya for him to end up in this situation, Khaya's wife Nandi has been cheating on him with his brother Solomzi. Since Khaya was blind, I'm sure everyone knows this, Nandi and Solomzi didn't know that his eyesight is back, so most of the things that were happening right in front of him. The last straw was when he caught them in the act. He then took a decision that he's going to kill Solomzi and asked for Chuma's help to do that. And what you see on the screen right now is a scene where Khaya and Chuma call Solomzi and ready to kill him. Even though Khaya was determined to kill Solomzi, it looks like he couldn't kill him after all, because on one of the latest episodes, Solomzi comes back. Honestly, I had thought that everything was under control. I really thought that he will drive Nandi to confession. After watching this scene right here, I was so sure that Khaya is starting to punish Nandi and that this will either drive Nandi to her confession or suicide. The only person who's going to attempt suicide is Khaya himself. Guys, what happened to news that Zamani Mbatha is leaving Isitha the Enemy veil? At this point, I'm here wondering if Khaya is going to be able to beat this. Pela news of him leaving the show were not denied, nor confirmed. What Blackburn told us was that he is still negotiating contract with the production company. As to whether or not he ended up signing the contract or not, we don't know even today, which is a little bit worrying for me, especially after what is happening on the show recently. So ladies and gentlemen, if you know what ended up happening with Zamani Mbatha's contract on the Blackburn pictures, please share in the comment section. Also comment and share opinions regarding this video in general, and if you enjoyed content on this video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. And this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.